Barramundi is one of the most versatile types of fish to cook. I love it, particularly for a midweek dinner. And Leah's here to show us a lovely, healthy version with a rice pilaf. Yum, yum, yum.
Yes, very, very easy. One of my favourites actually because it takes 10 minutes. 15 minutes max when your children are yelling at you at night time, so it's perfect. We'll start with rice because I feel like that's the easiest and that takes the longest.
Yes.
So we'll put a little bit of heat on a small pan. Would you better measure me 2 cups of chicken stock?
Can do.
We're going to add some butter straight into that pan.
Okay.
In the beginning, we want a high heat. So just going to melt that butter and then we're going to add some brown onion straight in there. And then we're going to add our favourite little spices, allspice balls and whole cloves, but you can't eat them when they're in there. So you need to make sure you take them out because I have done that way too many times and they are horrendous when you bite into them.
And look, you could use the ground, but I love this because it's much more subtle.
Yes, so it's not too crazy. That's why you can't bite into them. Otherwise that turns not fun. Rice goes straight in. This is washed, all done.
Yep, and that's just long grain rice.
Yep, long grain rice or basmati rice, whatever you vibe. I use basmati so much in the kitchen that I just kind of default to that.
Yep.
Straight away, that chicken stock we've done, pour that into here once that's all mixed through.
Okay. I mean, you could serve this barramundi just with plain rice, but by putting this rice in the butter and the stock, it just makes it extra special.
Gives it something a little bit extra. If it's especially something that's a little bit more plain,
Yes.
gives it a little bit more fun.
Yep.
So once it's come to a boil like this, we're going to turn it right down to the lowest setting, and then we're going to put our lid on, about 13 minutes, and then literally that is it. No touchy about that one.
And within 13 minutes, we get everything else done.
It's all done, yes. So let's do the lemon dressing.
Sure.
If you'd like to rind some lemons and then also juice them straight into that bowl. This is up to you how lemony you like it, but I like a lot, so depending on how much we like.
It's the Greek roots that you come from.
Has to be, I know. So I'm going to do salt and pepper on these with olive. Can you pass me the olive oil, please? Thank you so much. I already did some slits in the barramundi, so the reason why I do that is because if you put it down on the pan, they can shrink really quickly and it makes for an uneven cook. So slit the bottom of your fish if the skin is on. Just helps it a lot.
Great little tip.
That's typical me olive oil. Bit much, that's okay.
And I love to leave the skin on because that's going to go nice and crispy.
Yeah, I love. That's the good bit about it.
So tell me about this fantastic new health app that you've got coming out.
So it's basically a big extension of what we do on socials, which is just like healthy eating made easy and for you. So we've got a team of dietitians, we've got a team of nutritionists, we've got people who do like amazing recipes. Like I'm in the app doing things every day, all day, every day. It's all about tailoring nutrition to your goals. So if you're, if you're a runner and you want to add more protein in your day, if you want to recover, or if you just want to start a healthy eating journey, that's the whole essence of it all.
And what's it called?
Bare Nutrition is what it's called. So BARE stands for Balanced and Realistic Eating. And it was like a very extension on our previous programs 5 years ago, but we've just kept it because it's just been such a core to everything we do.
Yeah. And this is one of the recipes that you will probably find on the app too. Very healthy,
simple.
But we're not missing out on anything. It's all quite delicious.
Absolutely. I'm going to quickly do this on the pan. So we've got some bok choy.
Yes.
I like just a little bit of olive oil in the pan just to season it quickly.
Sure.
But whatever veg you like, if you have some leftovers in the fridge or freezer, you've got some whatever, that's super easy too. So that goes straight in the pan. Just going to cook that 5 or 6 minutes till it lightly softens, and then we'll add our barramundi straight into there. You can do a bit of a one pan.
Beautiful.
Or you can take out, up to you, but we'll just do a one pan because that's just the easiest,
Sounds good.
So while that's cooking, if you just add some olive oil into that and the rest of the chives, then the fish goes into there and we're ready to go. Right, that is all done. Look at how beautiful that looks. So each one, just take it off and then we're going to plate up because that's literally it. The rice is done.
So good.
I love efficient meals. This is
Fish and rice.
That's it.
Never gets old, that's for sure.
Let's take that off. And now...
It smells good.
It does smell delicious. I always fluff up with a fork with rice, just important, so that nothing gets squishy down the bottom. So if you're fluffing, that's good. So then we can serve, if you like. I'll put some rice there and then you can get the dressing going.
Yes, this dressing is so good.
So I just put obviously however much everyone wants, a little bit of rice down the bottom. You can put a fillet of fish if we like.
Do you want skin side up or flesh?
I think flesh side up looks nice.
There we go.
And then some bok choy on the side.
Yeah.
Just for a little bit of colour. Spoon over the dressing, and that is honestly it. Done.
This dressing, I like the big hit of chives because chives are just so lovely. That onion flavour, but not overpowering.
Smells amazing. And all the lemon, really fresh, really easy.
And you're right, it took 15 minutes.
Very
to
quick.
do. And everyone is going to be happy with this. If you love barramundi, try this dish because it is wholesome and super delicious.
Thanks, Leah. You're welcome.